Those are the earrings I made. I definitely need to do some organizing, so I'm trying to clear out my closet so I can get some new stuff. I'm just putting my clothes on my Depop, get rid of my old clothes. Hopefully I can start thrifting stuff on my Depop, but right now I'm just gonna start with my closet and work my way up. Okay.
Plus is pulling it down.
Right now I'm just eating some food right now. I'm cooking my fries in the oven right now because I actually like cooking my fries in the oven. I'm trying to find other ways I make stuff without using too much grease, and I feel like it's more healthier that way. I did launch my earrings. I went live for a little bit on TikTok. It actually wasn't too bad. I'm really grateful for anybody who popped in. I didn't get to add those freebies to order because I didn't really receive any orders. But yeah, it's January, so orders have definitely slowed down, but it's okay. Just need to dry. But the earrings I made, I'm actually obsessed with them because I'm starting to really like making flower earrings, and I really do enjoy making earrings. And let me know if I should ever like time myself when I'm making jewelry. Let me know if you want to see that. This video took me so long because CapCut was giving me trouble, but it's okay. I just wanted to let you guys know I will be posting most of my long form videos on my YouTube, and my shorter videos will be on my IG and TikTok. My hair is definitely growing. It is crazy. I just finished recording the video for TikTok and Instagram business / I share my life too now, if you haven't noticed. Also, I'm gonna put this one together. I'm gonna finish the organizing. No, I'm just getting ready to film this video. So you guys are seeing behind the scenes on how this video is gonna come together. But basically, I am gonna time myself and see how long it takes me to make one bracelet. Because honestly, I do not know. You guys ask me all the time. And it turns out it took me 8 minutes and 42 seconds, which is crazy.